Hello friends, my name is Sherki Akshay Kumar Ashruba and today's date is 6th September 2021, and as per our regularly basis, our today's Viva topic is or today's video topic is linked list. Okay, so before going to linked list we see a collection. So what is collection? Collection is a combination of objects, means collection contains various objects. So we see some real-time example, that is child's piggy bank. Means piggy bank piggy bank is a collection of coins. Mm, Means in this the coins are the objects and piggy bank is a collection which is framework. Next example is students are present in a class. Means class is a collection of students. In this students are objects and the class is a collection, that is framework. Okay, so collection consists of various concepts such as array list, linked list, tree map, hash map. Okay, so today we discuss about the linked list. So linked list is the part of collection framework, and the linked list is implements list interface, and it contains various elements or values. Uh, like an array list, linked list also have a dynamic size. Dynamic size means the size of the list can be grow or shrinks as per requirement. That is, if objects added or removed, it grows or shrinks. Okay, the linked list contains data part and the address part in it. The data part contains data of current class. Okay, and the address part contains the reference of next element. Means it contains the address of next element or next object. Okay, so each element in a linked list is called as a node, and the linked list is very useful for insertion and deletion of an element inside the linked list. Then the array list. In array list, that process is difficult. Okay, so we see some operations in linked list. So first is the add. If we have to add something or some element inside a list, then for this adding we use a add method in list class. Then a change method. So if we add elements, and if we have a requirement to change that element, at that time, for changing that element we use a set method. Means by using a set method we can change that elements. Okay, now we see some important points about the linked list. So linked list can contains a duplicate elements like an array list, because it contains a separate node for a separate element. Okay, then the next point is linked list is a non-synchronized class, and non-synchronized class, linked list is not used for primitive data type. It is only used for non-primitive data type. Okay, a linked list linked list manipulation is fast because of fast shifting of data. Now we see why do we use a linked list. So first point for using a linked list is linked list have a dynamic size. Means its size is grows or shrinks as per our requirement, and by grows or shrink size we can reduce the wastage of our spaces. In array list, if we first declare the size of array 10 and we use only 5 size in that array, then the next 5 spaces are blank and this is waste space. So in array linked list we overcome this disadvantage of array list, and in this we use a size which is required to us. Then the next point is in array list there are various disadvantages which are overcome by the linked list. Okay.